My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the website Setunians.com. Setunians.com is a site that tries to trick its visitors into subscribing to the multiple ads that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. Setunians.com tells that you need to click on the special Allow button, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. But in reality, clicking on Allow button is surely a mistake. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. You will start receiving the great portion of ads that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. To deactivate these ads, you should do the following. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings. Now choose Security and Privacy, click on Site Settings, go down to Permissions area and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find any malicious sites here on the list, be sure to remove them from this list, and this is the manual way to fix your browser and remove these multiple pop-up ads. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.